It's always been something like a passion of mine. To do things that others fear, or that nobody's ever done before. Today, I will start off a series of record-breaking attempts. First one, fastest 500 meters in a truck. If everything goes right, I will be the fastest person on this planet to drive a truck 500 meters. And I know, it's not what girls
my age usually do. But isn't that what's beautiful about life? My name is Aliyyah, and I'm 15 years old.
Anybody got eyes on Aliyyah? Aliyyah is on the way. Let's go. You okay?
Yes.
Nervous?
Yes.
Don't be nervous. It's gonna be fine. Can you hear me? Loud and clear. Okay, you ready?
In order to succeed today, I need to hit the finish line in less than 13.72 seconds. This is Yasmin, my super cool sister. We do everything together, including racing. Yasmin and our amazing team have been there for me and helped me prepare for this day.
Everything's okay, the truck's fine. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Good luck, mate.
It's a lot more work than you can imagine. But enough talking. Let's do this. Okay.
You ready? You can start. Ready to go. I copy that.
Aliyyah, if you hear me, head to your starting position. Okay, Aliyyah.
Relax, breathe.
Chill, take it easy, and have fun, and make this one a smooth operator.
I wish you a lot of luck.
We can go.
3,
2, 1, go.
But wait a minute. Why am I doing all this, you might ask? I have been living with Asperger's syndrome, a form of autism. A simple eye contact or small talk with strangers can sometimes be a challenge to me, so I choose to express myself behind the wheel instead. Today, I want to use that to help. I asked my dad to help me set up my own foundation to try to raise funds to help other kids with this condition who have been less fortunate. And you can help too. My sponsors have committed to donate money to my foundation if this video gets 2 million views or more. So share it, like it, and together we can help. But wait, we have unfinished business.
Aliyyah, stop, you beat the record. You beat the record, man.
And I'm just getting started. Next time I'll try to break the speed of 300 kilometers per hour. And training starts today. See you next time, and remember, share it, like it, comment below to help me help others while doing what I love.